I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with removal. Take out laces and insoles so you can access seams and welt. Use a soft brush to remove loose dirt. Don't scrub hard. Mix a mild soap with water at about 1:10 ratio and dampen a cloth. Lightly wipe the leather. Once done, test your cleaner on a hidden patch and wait 5 minutes to confirm no discoloration. This step prevents surprises and ensures your Blundstones react well to the care products you'll apply next. You move to conditioning. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of Blundstone Care Cream onto a soft cloth and spread thinly. Work in small circular motions so the product penetrates grain and creases. Pressure matters. Firm, controlled strokes work best. Make sure seams and heel areas get attention. Let the leather absorb for 15 to 20 minutes. If it looks dry, apply a second light layer. Once absorbed, buff with a clean cloth to bring back subtle sheen and even out finish. You finish by sealing protection. Apply an even coat of waterproof spray or wax and give it 10 to 15 minutes to set. Reinsert insoles and lace up lightly. Place shoes somewhere ventilated and let them dry 24 hours away from direct heat. Never use a heater. If you notice a stain or color change, stop. Repeat the hidden area test and a gentle clean. Avoid harsh solvents like acetone. If the problem persists, consider professional leather repair to prevent irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.